Understanding lawn spreader, an essential tool for garden care. Hello, friends and fellow garden enthusiasts. Today, we're going to unravel the mysteries of a common gardening tool, the lawn spreader. Whether you're a green thumb or just starting, understanding this device is key to achieving a lush, healthy lawn. A lawn spreader is a tool used for evenly distributing seeds, fertilizer, or pesticides over your lawn. It ensures that every part of your lawn gets an equal opportunity to grow robust and healthy. There are two main types, broadcast spreaders and drop spreaders. Broadcast spreaders. These spreaders, also known as rotary spreaders, disperse materials in a wide circle. They are perfect for covering large areas quickly but might not be as precise near garden beds or walkways. Drop spreaders. Drop spreaders release the contents directly below them between their wheels. They offer more control and are ideal for smaller lawns or when you need precision, such as near flower beds. Using a lawn spreader is simple, but it requires some preparation. Firstly, choose the right spreader for your lawn size and the material you're spreading. Fill the hopper, adjust the settings according to the product instructions, and walk at a steady pace to ensure even coverage. To keep your lawn spreader in top shape, clean it after each use and store it in a dry place. Regularly check for any clogs or damage, especially in moving parts. That wraps up our guide on lawn spreaders. With this knowledge, you're now equipped to make your lawn the envy of the neighborhood. Remember, the key to a beautiful lawn is not just the tools, but the care and love you put into it. Happy gardening, and see you next time.